In this tech snip, I'll show you how to approve commands in Poshbot. Let's get started. Poshbot includes the ability to mark commands as requiring approval before they are executed. You may want this for sensitive or powerful commands, where you need an extra layer of verification before they are run. These commands can be put into a pending state for a configurable amount of time so another user can approve them. Let's take a look at the Poshbot configuration to see how to enable this. Inside the bot configuration, there is a property called Approval Configuration. There are two properties to this hash table: expire minutes, which tells Poshbot how long to have commands in a pending state before they expire, and commands, which is an array of hash tables that holds the command configurations that we want to enforce approval on. Let's add a new hash table under the commands array to enable approval for the command in our demo plugin. You can learn more about creating plugins in the How to Create a Simple Poshbot Plugin snip. This hash table entry has three properties: expression, groups, and peer approval. The expression property is where you put the fully qualified name of the command that you want to enable approval for. The fully qualified name consists of the plugin name, the command name, and the plugin version separated by colons. Wildcard characters are also accepted. The groups array contains the names of one or more Poshbot groups. Any member of these groups can approve the command. And the peer approval property is a boolean true or false. If this property is true, then you can't approve your own commands that are in the pending state, even if you're a member of one of the groups in the groups property. Okay, we've just enabled approval on the deploy application command from our demo plugin. This command can be approved by any member of the release team or admin groups. Now let's fire up Poshbot. I've already configured Poshbot to run as a service. You can check out the How to Run Poshbot as a Windows Service snip for more information on how to set that up. Now that Poshbot is started, let's head over to Slack. I have two Slack windows open here with two different users logged in to show you how the approval workflow works. The plugin has already been installed in Poshbot. Now let's try running the command. You can see that we receive a message back saying that the command requires approval and that it also lists the groups who can approve it. Commands that are in a pending state get assigned a unique ID that an approver will need to include when approving or denying the command. For convenience, the message also lists what the approver can type to approve or deny the command. Since we specified this command requires peer approval, let's see what happens when we try to approve our own command. And we get a message back saying that we're not allowed to do that. Now let's go over to our other Slack window, which is logged in as a user that is a member of the release team group. This group is set up as an approver for this command. When this user approves the command, it immediately gets executed. Now let's go back and run the deploy application again. This approver can also deny the command if needed. And that's how you can set up command approvals in Poshbot.